Hello and welcome to part 3 of my Design Your Webinar presentation course. And in this part 3, we are going to concentrate on really getting your presentation up to scratch. So welcome to the course. Great to have you here, and I'm really glad you've enrolled. I hope you're going to get an awful lot from this course that I prepared for you. My name is Colley. I'm the 6-Minute Strategist. I've got over 33,000 students in my courses in 175 countries. So I really hope you are going to benefit from the experience that I've already got. This course is all about taking your webinar presentation to the next level. You're going to do some really detailed work on it in order to turn it into a real step-by-step presentation to take you through the whole process of a webinar from start to finish. And the benefits of this are that this presentation is going to be really well organized, very systematic, and enable you to deliver fantastic value to your audience. Now, this course is for you if you are looking to create any sort of webinar. So if you're interested in webinars, then I've created this, and I really hope you're going to find it a very helpful and straightforward exposition of the art of creating webinars. Now, I've broken this course into several parts on this platform, and you may find it helpful if you haven't already taken parts 1 and 2 to go back and do those first. But if you haven't, then you still want to press ahead with this, you'll still be able to do it and still get a lot from it, but you'll find it better if you actually go through parts 1 and 2 first. Now, the course project for this is really developing your webinar presentation into a lot more detail. So you're really going to fill in a lot of the gaps, if you like, a lot of the pages between the different sections that we've already looked at in parts 1 and 2. And really, what I'd like you to do is to share your projects in the course. Obviously, your screenshots, your tips, anything like that, put it in the project gallery. It really helps and it makes it a lot more interesting. Of course, if you want to reach out to me, I'm here to help as well. So it'd be great to see you and hear from you and engage with you to see how you're getting on with your webinar presentation. So congratulations for enrolling in the course. Great to have you here, and let's kick off. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy the course. This is my webinar success part 3, designing your webinar presentation, and I'll see you in the course very shortly.